Today we have a lower price on this Makita circular saw. Unbelievable price, lower than before, even lower because it was already low. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you can buy more tools, make more review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribers and likes. Big shout out to Joe the 2 guy for posting this first. So this is the rear handle. It is a 36 volt saw, 2 batteries included. If you guys select the free with purchase, you guys can select here one item. You guys select the item, add both to cart, and voila, guys, $132. That is a record low for this. Now I'm sounding like the weather guy, but it's a it's a record low for this circular saw. If you guys return the batteries, keep the saw. $132. I'm thinking about getting it. I don't know if I should get it or not. I'm probably gonna end up getting it. We'll see. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.